Today I will be programming my Philips 8-device universal remote with my TV using direct code entry method. With similar steps, you can also program this remote for all these devices. Instead of pressing the TV button, press the corresponding device button. I have a Toshiba TV, so I have noted down all the codes, and I will be putting all the codes for all devices in this video. So please use your corresponding code for your device. Step 1. Manually turn on your TV. Step 2. Point your remote towards the TV. Then, press and hold the setup button until this red light turns on. Next, press the TV button. Now, using the number pad, enter in your first code. My first code for my Toshiba TV is 1311, so I will enter that in. 1311. The red light now turns off. To check if the remote is working, try turning off your TV using the power button. My TV has turned off. In case your TV did not turn off, try again from step 2 with a different code. Now, turn on your TV again using the power button. My TV has now turned on. To see if the remote is working perfectly fine, try using all the buttons. I will try the volume keys now. As you can see, the volume keys are working. In case any button is not working, you can try again from step 2 with a different code. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.